One five is 5. Two fives are 10. Three fives are 15. Four fives are 20. Five fives are 25. Six fives are 30. Seven fives are 35. Eight fives are 40. Nine fives are 45. 10 fives are 50. Shall we read once again, children? 5 table. 1 5 is 5. 2 fives are 10. 3 fives are 15. 4 fives are 20. 5 fives are 25. 6 fives are 30. 7 fives are 35. 8 fives are 40. 9 fives are 45. 10 fives are 50. Children, do you understand 5 table? Children, today we are going to see a new topic from chapter number 3, comparison of numbers from 1 to 20. And our new topic is identifying bigger and smaller number using number line. So what we are going to do, children? We are going to identify how to find bigger number and how to find smaller number using a number line. Shall we see, children? Okay, see here. This is a number line and we are having few numbers. Shall we read it? See here. What are the numbers we have? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we are having numbers from 0 to 10 and we are going to find bigger and smaller number using a number line. So see here, Mona is standing on number 5. So this is our Mona. Where she is standing? Yes, she is standing on number 5. She is standing on number 5. When she moves towards 1, she will get smaller number. So when Mona moves towards number 1, here is number 1 and she is standing here. When she moves towards number 1, we will get a smaller numbers. What we will get, children? We will get a smaller numbers. See here, 4, 3, 2, 1. These numbers are smaller than 5. So see here also 5 is here and next to 5 4 and 3 2 and 1. So these numbers are smaller than number 5. When she moves towards 10, she will get greater numbers. And when Mona moves towards number 10, here is number 10, and when she moves this side, we will get a number greater than number 5. So what we will get? We will get numbers greater than 5. So see here, after 5 we have 6, next 7, 8 and 9. So these numbers are greater than number 5. So when she moves towards number 1, we will get smaller number. And when she moves towards number 10, we will get greater numbers. Do you understood, children? Now shall we fill an exercise? Okay. So in this sum, she is standing on number 5. But for our example, she is standing on number 7. So what we are going to do? We are going to find using this number. Okay? See here. Likewise, when she moves towards 1 from 7, we will get smaller numbers. And when she moves towards number 10, we will get a greater number. So here see, when she moves these numbers are smaller than the number 7, and the numbers 8 and 9 are greater than number 7. So these two numbers are greater than number 7. So do you understand, children, how to find the bigger and smaller numbers using number line? Children, now we are going to learn skip counting. So first we are going to see skip counting by twos. So for that we have an example. See here, this is Ram's number strip and this one is Shyam's number strip. So Ram has a number of numbers, and here Shyam is also having a list of numbers. So see here, Ram has colored all the numbers. What are the numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here are the numbers from 1 to 10. So Ram has colored all the 10 numbers. But see here, Shyam's number strip. How he colored? Is he colored all the numbers, children? No. See here, he didn't color number 1, number 3, number 5, number 7 and number 9. But he colored number 2, number 4, number 6, number 8 and number 10. So he colored in a different way from Ram's number strip. So we are going to find what is that difference. See here, first one he didn't color, second one he colored. Next he left one and second he colored. Next also he left one and second one he colored. Next he left one and second he colored. And see here also he left one and here colored second one. So he left one and colored the second place. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So the second places are colored. So this one is skip counting by twos. Do you understood, children? This is skip counting by twos. Likewise, we can skip counting by 3s, 4s, 5s and 10s, etc. So skip counting means counting forward or backward by a number other than 1. Say 2s, 5s or 10s is called skip counting. So when we are counting the numbers in forward order or backward order by leaving 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s and etc. that is called skip counting. So other than number 1, we should not see for number 1 because it is order wisely arranged for number 1. But if we are counting 2s, 3s, 4s, etc., it is called a skip counting. Now shall we see one example, children? See here, circle the numbers while skip counting by twos and write the numbers. So here we have a list of numbers from 1 to 20. Here we are going to circle the numbers by twos, by skipping twos. Okay, children, shall we circle? See here, first one, this is second one. So I am going to circle this number, and this is first one, then second one. So I am going to circle this one. Then 1, this is 2. So I am going to circle number 6. Then again 1, 2. So I am going to circle number 8. And again 1, 2. So I am going to circle number 10. And see here 1, 2. So I am going to circle number 12. Then this is 1, this is 2. So I am going to circle number 14. And this is 1, this is 2. So I am going to circle number 16. And this is 1, this is 2. So I am going to circle number 18. And this is 1 and this is 2. So I am going to circle number 20. So see, children, here we have skip counted by twos. First one we left and second one we circled. So we are going to write this circle number down. See, first we have circle 2, next number number 16 and next number 18 and last number 20. So these are the numbers we have written by skip counting by twos. Okay children, do you understand? Children, now we are going to see an interesting activity. Shall we see children? Okay, see here, what do we have? Yes, we have a beautiful kite. So we are going to learn skip counting using this kite. So we have numbers from 1 to 20. In this number we are going to count by twos, by skip counting by twos. See here, 1 is in first place and 2 is in second place. So we got 2 as a first number. Why? Because we are doing skip counting by twos. We have to choose the numbers that are present in second place. So we got 2 as a first number, and see 3 is in first place and 4 is in second place. So we got next number as 4, and 5 is in first place and 6 is in second place. So we got 6 as the next number, and 7 is in first place and 8 is in second place. So we got 8 as the next number, and then 9 is in first place and 10 is in second place. So next number is 10, and 11 is in first place and 12 is in second place. So we got 12 as the next number, and 13 is in first place, 14 is in second place. So we got 14 as the next number, and we got 15 in first place and 16 is in second place. So we got next number as 16, and 17 is in first place, 18 is in second place. So we got 18 as the next number, and 19 is in first place and 20 is in second place. So we got 20 as the last number. So here we have the numbers. Shall we see what are the numbers we got by skip counting by twos? Okay, the numbers that are present in the circle are the numbers we got by skip counting by twos. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. These are the numbers we got using skip counting by twos. So also we can learn tables using this skip counting by twos. Shall we learn the two table children? Do you know how? See here. Say with me. 1, 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12. 7 2s are 14. 8 2s are 16. 9 2s are 18. 10 2s are 20. Now children, we are going to learn skip counting by fives. See here, first we done for twos. Now we are going to do for fives. So I have written the numbers that are present in the fifth place by skip counting fives. So what are the numbers we got? Shall we read once? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. Also, we can learn 5 tables using this skip counting by fives. So, shall we see the tables children? Yes, say with me. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. 7 5s are 35. 8 5s are 40. 9 5s are 45. And 10 5s are 50. Do you understood children? So children, do you understand skip counting by 2s and 5s? Yes, I hope you all understood this concept, and also you can do it for 3s, 10s, etc. Okay children, I hope you all enjoyed this activity. Children, now we are going to fill exercise number 3.6. Shall we fill, children? Okay, see the first question. Read with me. Color the circle while skip counting by threes. So here we are going to color the circles by counting threes. First example we did for twos. Now we are going to do for number threes. Shall we do, children? Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3. So this is third one. I am going to color this circle. See here. I am going to color this circle. Yes, we have color. And then again count again 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is third one. So I am going to color this circle. See here we have colored this one. Next again 1, 2, 3. This is third one. So I am going to color this circle. So see here next again 1, 2, 3. This is third one. So we are going to color number this circle. See here I have colored now this circle. Then again count with me 1, 2, 3. This is third one. So I am going to color this circle. So we have colored this one. Again 1, 2, 3. So this number. I am going to color this circle. So we have colored this one. Then see 1, 2 and we don't have any number. Then just leave that. So we have colored by counting threes. So what are the numbers we got by coloring threes? Number 3, number 6, number 9, number 12, number 15 and number 18. These are the numbers we got by skipping number threes. Do you understand, children? Okay, let's look at the second one. Write the numbers between 3 and 18 while skip counting by threes. So here they give number 3 and 18. We have to write here what are the numbers will come by skip counting threes. We already have colored here skip counting by 3. So what are the numbers we got? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. So they asked the question number between 3 and 18. So what are the numbers are there? 6, 9, 12 and 14. So these four numbers we are going to write here. See here I am going to write 6, 9, 12, 15. So these are the missing numbers between 3 and 18 by skip counting threes. Do you understand, children? Okay, I hope you all understood what is meant by skip counting. Children, now it's time for your home assignment. So for your home assignment, you have to complete page number 52. So in page number 52, you will have a worksheet. You have to complete the worksheet and send it to the